The KTM 300E Exc Hardenduro has rolled out of pitlane and onto the prologue startline. Based on the all-new KTM 300E Exc, the KTM 300E Exc Hardenduro sets itself apart, bristling with an exclusive Hardenduro package, hardcore protection parts, pull straps, CNC machined components, not to mention hand-adjustable closed cartridge forks, and a totally unique graphics kit makes this the ultimate ready-to-race package for tackling the world's toughest championship. LED headlight, lighting the way forward, features a completely new LED headlight unit and light mask. Handlebars, held in place by a set of CNC machined triple clamps, the handlebar. Engine, power 49 horsepower and torque 43.8 Nm. This new 300cc two-stroke power plant not only brings a new choice into the E3 Enduro category. Frame, all new gloss orange powder-coated frame providing exceptional rider feedback, energy absorption, and high-speed stability. Subframe, a new ultra-light lightweight subframe, featuring a two-part polyamide and reinforced aluminum construction. Front suspension, all new 48mm WPX-ACT closed cartridge spring fork finds its way into the KTM Enduro lineup for 2024. Rear suspension, all new WPX-PLORPDS rear shock now takes charge at the rear. Fuel tank, 9 liters. The transparent polythene XPE fuel tank is a signature element of the KTM Enduro lineup. Graphics, celebrating the toughest races on planet Earth, the KTM 300E Exc Hardenduro features a loud, proud graphics kit. Brakes, slowing the KTM 300E Exc Hardenduro comes courtesy of a floating front brake disc and solid brake disc on the rear. Wheels and tires, high-strength black DID alloy wheels coupled to orange anodized CNC machined hubs, black spokes, and orange aluminum nipples. These are wrapped in a set of ultra-grippy Metzeler 6. Ergonomics, the KTM 300E Exc Hardenduro features a rider-focused body position triangle, providing improved knee contact, especially when standing on the pegs, with improved gripping surfaces all around. With the plastics working to expel mud buildup in wet, muddy conditions, a flat seat profile with a high-grip seat cover providing exceptional rider movement and control, and a polyamide reinforced aluminum subframe providing unmatched rider feel and feedback, your only concern is navigating the terrain ahead of you.